ZANU-PF Legal Affairs Secretary Patrick Chinamasa has reposted the contentious tweet in which he first contradicted the party's position on the co-option of kuda kwachetagure into the Central Committee of the ruling party. Sanabena mashoko kuda panguva ino arikuonekwa kunzi aiwa Chinamasa opposed again. Aiwa mashoko angari alleged achinzi mutungamiriri wenyika yeZimbabwe akamuforsa kuti amadelete. Toti go subscribe like on the bell kuti yunda paendo achimwana mudanyira chiti. Chinamasa initially posted the tweet on Sunday, took it down yesterday, but reposted it at 2 a.m. this morning. Kuda kwachetagure is now the front runner to succeed President Emmerson Mnangagwa within his faction. Vice President Chiwenga had long been seen as the favorite until Mnangagwa recently signaled he prefers someone else. The unannounced succession race is now between Tagure and Chiwenga, with the general's faction drawing a red line, declaring that Tagure will not be allowed into the Central Committee. His co-option would give him the platform to run for party leadership. General Chiwenga's faction has drawn two red lines: the co-option of Tagure and the tabling of a bill in parliament that would pave the way for Mnangagwa's term extension. So far, Mnangagwa has been getting what he wants from his party until Tagure's co-option, which was blocked by General Chiwenga. Chiwenga's faction is now preparing for an all-out war once Mnangagwa steps down as Sadc chairman. Sadly, while ZANU-PF is at war with itself, there is no opposition player capitalizing on the infighting. When the ruling party is bleeding in public and the opposition cannot even lift a finger, it is not just a crisis of governance, it is a crisis of alternatives. Thomas Kwarubuda panguva ino sezvamuri kunzwa panguva ino zviri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa panguva ino the ruling party hazvina kumira zvakanaka uchinokwa the Chiwenga faction panguva ino it is now fighting. Inozozva kuti ndo last chance yayo yainokwanisa kudefeata zvigananda. Ndakumesekishe medu kudza mafunguro enyu matikudiye pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.